Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. We have another pop-up card for you today. It's a friendship card or a Children's Day card, super easy to make and super fun. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. To make our pop-up friends card or Children's Day cards, you will need some paper for some card for the card itself, some scraps of paper. This is 20 centimeters long, but to be honest, thereabouts is fine. Some pens for coloring, some scissors for cutting, and obviously some glue for sticking. The first thing we're going to do is create our paper people or our paper friends. So as mentioned, this is 20 centimeters. It doesn't have to be exactly 20 centimeters, but it's a size that works for us. And I'm going to make a fold which is about 3 centimeters. Let's see if I've got it 3 centimeters. Yeah, but it doesn't have to be 3. Again, it's all about preferences. You can make these bigger or smaller if you wish. And I'm going to make my first fold. I'm going to flip it over, make a second fold, flip it over, third, fourth, and fifth. So that means, let's just check, I have 1 child, 2 children, 3 children, and I can trim off the edge. I won't need that. Let's just double check. So you've got that. Now here's the closed bit. So I'm going to turn it closed. This is where you have to have the inside of your child's head. So I'm going to draw a head. Don't worry about the pencil marks. You can put them on the inside of your card later, or you can rub them out. So I've got a semicircle. I'm going to put an arm, a body, and a leg. Now it's really important that the hands and the leg, or one of the two, but ideally both, touch the end. Very important, because that's what connects your paper chain, and that this is a proper semicircle. So you then cut out your paper chain. This is a bit like the gingerbread men. I don't know if you saw those at Christmas. Actually very similar pattern, and actually if you wanted to have a download, I do have a gingerbread man download. It's exactly the same shape, so maybe you want to look at that. I can put that in the links down below, but to be honest, it's just a paper chain of people. So let's see how that looks. Might make that into a little shoe. There we go. Let's open it up. Let's see. Yay! That's really cute, isn't it? So you have your paper chain. If you need to, you can round off anything, but I think this works. You can round off the corners. You can make this more hand-shaped here, for example. Maybe we'll do that on this one. And then you get to have lots of fun decorating. So in this instant, here's one I made earlier. And so we decorated it with just some bright pens. Here's one my daughter did. You can cut out paper to decorate, and I think that's really fun as well. So combine paper and pens. So really you can decorate in whatever way you want. You can keep it really simple. You can add lots of different skin colors. So, you know, just have fun. And then I'm also going to do a little bit extra. I've made myself a rainbow that I want to pop up. My daughter drew one in hers. I decided to cut one out, so either works. You can make the rainbow pop, or you can stick it down. I haven't quite decided yet, we'll see. So here's my rainbow. I want to have 2 rainbow clouds to go with it. So my rainbow clouds, I'm going to fold this in half, and then I'm just going to freehand cut out a cloud. But you can draw one, and also you can have 2 different clouds. They don't have to match. I'm just deciding that I do want them to match. So this is going to be my card, and here I'm going to draw some faces. They're going to also have faces. so cute. So time to assemble the card. I'm going to actually I think I'm going to do my rainbow flat, just so that we can really emphasize the popping children. So glue that down in the middle, maybe a bit higher. Might give them some cheeks. And time to stick your children. Now, for this to pop, the fold needs to go this way. If yours go the other way, just make sure you just switch it around. So I'm just going to make sure all my folds are neat. Give them another little squeeze, make sure they're tight, and then add glue to one side. Then have a think where you want the first one to go. I think probably around here is good. Does that work? Yeah, that works. Have a good fold this one up. Add some glue. And hold it there, shut it. And let's have a look. The moment of truth. Your card is finished. Isn't that adorable? So on my daughter's card, we also stuck some paper around the outside. She put a little heart on it as well. So you can decorate the front too if you want. And really it's just about your imagination, taking a look and yeah, just having a go. So I hope you like this video and that you have a go. This is great for Children's Day, for Friendship Day, Family Day, someone's birthday. Lots of opportunities to make this really, really cute card of your friends. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.